I'm here again! Now, let us proceed po sa dribbling the ball. Okay? So sa dribbling the ball po, una ko munang ipapakita ay yung regular dribble. So regular dribbling. So pwedeng nakatayo muna tayo, standing position while dribbling the ball. So sa pagdidribble po ng bola, ang gagamitin po natin ay itong buong kamay. Okay? At ito po ay merong ay figure kung paano. Hindi po nagdi-dribble ng bola na naka-close lahat ang mga daliri. Hindi po ganyan. It's not the proper way of dribbling the ball. It should be open like this, regular open. And then kung kayo ay may bola, make sure na kaya nyo munang i-grip yung bola. Ibig sabihin, inyong titignan yung figure, ito, kagaya nito, figure. So, not necessary dadakutin mo yung bola, hindi po. Basta ipatong mo lang, i-feel mo yung texture ng bola at saka yung kanyang shape. So definitely, kung ganito yung ating mararamdaman, shape, so like this. Yan. Kasi pag nag-dribble po tayo, pag nag-dribble tayo ng bola, we will use this kind of figure upon pushing down, ika nga ay sabi niya ay ipatatalbugin mo yung bola, ganito ang ating figure ng kamay. Hindi po pwedeng naka-flat na ating papaluin para siya tumalbog, hindi po. We are going to use our palm, this one, and then we will use our ika nga ay flexibility, yung ating flexion ng ating braso para ito ay mag-bounce pababa. Okay? Once naman ito ay nag-bounce, automatic tatalbog yan, babalik sa ating palad. Okay? Repetition lang. Okay? Just like this ha. So ito, palm, and then syempre, kailangan mo munang alalayan ng kalahating kamay. Kung ikaw na may kaliwete, the same thing. Kung kaliwete ka, same thing. Okay? So kanan ako, kanan. So I will use this dribbling the ball while standing. Of course, proper position of the body of the feet, stride position. Sabi nga ay nakabuka ka ng kaunti. Okay? Huwag naman yung parang maglulupang hinirang. Hindi naman. It's not proper. Ito lang, oh, yan, 50-50. And then dribbling the ball, okay? Forward, sa harapan muna. Okay? So ito, so going down, yan. Ipupush natin pababa. Going down, yan. Okay? Okay, ipupush down. Nagpe-flex po ang aking braso, side view. Yan, nagpe-flex. Okay? At ang aking palad, nakagayon. Sumusunod sa galaw, ha? Okay? Yan. Yan, kita nyo? That's it. That's it. Kung kay kaliwete naman, dito, the same thing, kaliwete. Okay? Yan, feel. Logic. Kumbaga sa science formula. The harder you push the ball going down, okay, the more it bounce back. Sabi nga ay pag binilisan mo, dilaksan mo yung dribble, ay di yung kanyang balik ay ganoon din kalakas. Kumbaga ang ating density o intensity ay depende sa ating pagdidribble. Kumbaga tayo nasa low level, medium or average, or pwedeng vigorous, yung mas mabilis pa, as fast as possible. So I'm doing slow. Yan. Okay? Yun. Pag in-average ko, nabilis ng kaunti. Yan. Nabilis. Mas mabilis. Okay? Make sure lamang na kapag binilisan natin, kaya nating i-handle ng kamay. At make sure na hindi mawawala sa ating focus. Kung naka-forward dyan, yan. Trying to have distance between you and the ball. At as much as possible, half meter. Wala po nagdi-dribble ng 1 meter. Kasi mapapalayo yung bola. It's always half meter. Ito, yan. Closer to the body, at least. Okay? So yan ha. Dribbling the ball. Moderate. Yan. Kung gusto nating pakataas, hindi ating laksan ng ating pagdi-dribble. Laksan natin. Pero ang regular na dribbling the ball is always at the chest level. Yan. Okay, regular dribbling. Okay? Punta tayo sa kaliwa. Same thing. Ganyan lang at dribbling the ball. Using the palm, okay? Pushing the ball, going down. And then, wag po nating, ito ang mali, wag nating papaluin ng bola. Yung papagayon. Hindi po yan volleyball. Sa volleyball po, kailangan sa volleyball ipaluin. Pero dito, we have to push and feel the texture of the ball. Okay? Yan. Wag po nating papaluin papagayon para tayo ay makapag-dribble. Hindi po. Masasaktan lang kayo. At kapag nasaktan kayo, ouch! It hurts. Okay? Gets ba? Nakuha ba yung basic ng dribbling? Ulitin natin. Again. Next one, forward. Side view. That's it. Hindi chan ko ha. Bola, tingnan niyo, bola, hindi chan. Okay. Then left. That's it. Okay, dribbling the ball. Now, another way of dribbling the ball, after standing, we have what we call squat dribbling. Pero hindi naman ginagamit ang squat dribbling eh. Wala naman term na ganon. Pero yung kanyang style is naka-squat. Ang tawag dito ay commando dribbling. Commando dribbling. Why? Kasi ikaw ay naka-ready for defense or for offense. Squat. Ayan. Okay, lowering down your legs. And then of course, the ball is still in front. Okay? Yan po. The same texture, same procedure, same figure. Okay, lowering down lang. Yan. So level lang ng stomach ng ating pagdidribble. Level ng stomach. Okay? Yan. Wait, baba ko ng konti ang aking camera. Wait lang ha. Naku, napababa masyado. Yan. Pwede na. So lowering my butt. Okay? Squat and then dribble the ball. That's it. Okay? Nakakangali ng legs, pero yun ang maganda. Praktisan. Left. That's it. Left. Commando dribble. Okay? Pwede nating bilisan kung gusto ninyo. O kanan, pwedeng bilisan. Ba? Woo! Woo! Pampaseksi yan. Okay? Yon, ang isang example ng commando dribbling. Okay? Again, I repeat, standing, normal dribbling, front dribble, ang tawag dito ay front dribble, half front. And then we have commando. Okay, front dribbling. That's it. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Yan. Okay, next. We have the side dribble. Ang side dribbling ay di nasa tagiliran natin. Semi 0 degrees. Okay? So side. So same thing. Standing ovation and then naka-side. Yan. Ito lang, nasa tabi. Still, the distance is half meter. Okay? The same thing, side. Okay? O, side view tayo. Yan. Bahagyang kita ang bola. Ang kita ay tiyan. Taklob ng tiyan. Okay? Yan, that's it. That's it. Okay? Then we have the commando dribbling, side view. Yan. That's it. Side view. O, so, testing. Yan. Okay, one more. Side view. Yan. Kita nyo? See? At ang mahalaga sa pagdidribble, hanggat maaari, syempre pag beginner ka, nakatingin ka muna sa bola para kita mo. Okay lang naman pagka beginner. Pero pag nasasanay ka na, always try to establish eye-to-eye contact. Napaka-importante po ng eye-to-eye contact. Bakit? Para kita mo yung mga tao sa unahan, kita mo kung sino ang papasahan mo. Kasi pag nakatungo ka, hindi mo kita, mamaya bangga ka na pala. Okay? So, yan ang importante sa dribbling. So, yun muna ang dalawang parts ng dribbling. Okay? So, front at saka side. Wait for the next. Okay? Again, repetition is very important. Upon repeating the dribbling, dapat ay ginagamay natin yung texture ng bola. Okay? So, we have already one, forward dribbling. We have the side dribbling. Wait for the next. Okay? Yeah! Kaboom!